Just Clips is now a division of the Lisle Corporation. These clips are designed to work on most pneumatic and cordless impact wrenches, including quarter, 3/8, half, 3/4, and 1 inch. Use the Snap Ring Pliers to remove the worn clip. Then remove the O-ring with the included O-ring pick. The deburring pad on the Snap Ring Pliers can be used to clean up the groove on the impact tool. Install the new O-ring. To use the CLIPKEY tool, place the clip in the appropriate size, ensuring the clip is open towards the top of the CLIPKEY. Press the tip of the impact tool into the clip at an angle, apply downward pressure, opening the clip, and rock forward quickly and easily, installing the clip. The 86000 AIOTK all-in-one toolkit with universal and Milwaukee quarter, 3/8, and half-inch clips includes an adjustable snap ring pliers and the patented CLIPKEY tool for easy clip installation. Also available, 86020 PTK-CK Pro Toolkit with quarter, 3/8, and half universal clips and O-rings. 86010 the MTK Milwaukee Toolkit with quarter, 3/8, and half clips and O-rings for Milwaukee tools. Milwaukee rings are specially sized for Milwaukee applications only, and red color for easy identification. Refill clip and O-ring sets are available in single and multiple packs. Toolkit retail displays are also available. Just Clips, a division of the Lisle Corporation.